One sunny morning in the enchanted forest, Timmy the Curious Tiger, Lila the Artistic Llama, and Zippy the Energetic Zebra were playing by the sparkling Rainbow River. Suddenly, a mysterious glowing map floated down from the sky, landing at their feet. "Whoa, look at this," Timmy said, his eyes wide with curiosity. "It looks like a map to somewhere magical." Zippy, always full of energy, bounced up and down excitedly. "I bet it leads to an adventure. Let's go, let's go." Lila, ever the thoughtful artist, studied the map carefully. "It says the land of lost colors. We need to restore color to this world." With a nod, the three friends followed the map through the enchanted forest, over hills, and across shimmering streams, until they arrived at the entrance to the land of lost colors. Everything around them was dull and gray. The flowers, the trees, and even the sky had lost their vibrant hues. "We have to help," Lila said, feeling sad for the colorless world. Just then, a small, bright blue bird fluttered over to them. "Hello, friends," the bird chirped. "I'm Blue, one of the last creatures with color. The rest of the land of lost colors has faded away. To bring it back, you must complete 3 tasks. Are you ready?" Timmy, Zippy, and Lila all nodded eagerly. "We're ready." Task 1. The Rainbow Riddles. Blue led the trio to a large, gray rainbow arching over the land. "Your first task," Blue explained, "is to solve the rainbow riddles to unlock its colors." Zippy jumped up. "I love riddles. Let's do this." The first riddle echoed in the air. "I shine after the rain, and I'm made of 7 hues. What am I?" Timmy's eyes sparkled. "A rainbow." As soon as he answered, the first band of color appeared on the arch, a bright red stripe. The second riddle followed. "I come up in the morning and set in the evening. What am I?" Lila smiled. "That's the sun." The second band of color, orange, shimmered into view. The friends solved the remaining riddles together, and one by one, the rainbow filled with vibrant colors. "Yes, we did it," Zippy cheered, racing in circles. Task 2. The Color Dance. Next, Blue led them to a wide, gray meadow. To bring color back to the flowers, you must do the color dance. When you hear the music, follow along and dance. Music filled the air, and Timmy, Lila, and Zippy began to dance. Zippy jumped high, Timmy twirled, and Lila waved her hooves gracefully. As they danced, the gray flowers slowly began to bloom with bright reds, yellows, and blues. "Everyone at home, dance with us," Lila called out to the kids watching. "Raise your arms like the sun," she said, twirling gracefully. "Now bounce like Zippy," Timmy shouted, leaping into the air. With every movement, more flowers burst into color. Soon, the entire meadow was a sea of rainbow blooms. The friends danced and laughed, knowing they were getting closer to their goal. Task 3. The Kindness Bridge. For the final task, Blue led them to a river flowing through the land. Across the river stood a tall bridge, but it was completely gray. To bring color to the bridge, Blue said, "You must show kindness." Timmy thought for a moment. "How do we show kindness here?" Just then, a small creature appeared, struggling to carry a heavy basket of fruit across the bridge. "I can't do this alone," the creature sighed. Without hesitation, Timmy, Lila, and Zippy rushed to help. Timmy took the basket, Lila helped lift it, and Zippy ran ahead to clear the path. As they worked together, the gray bridge began to glow with the most beautiful colors: reds, oranges, greens, and blues. "You did it," Blue chirped. "You've completed all 3 tasks." The land of lost colors exploded with vibrancy. Trees turned green, the sky became a brilliant blue, and the river sparkled like a rainbow. The creatures of the land cheered, hopping, dancing, and singing in joy. Timmy, Lila, and Zippy grinned at each other. "We did it," they cheered, high-fiving. "But remember," Blue said with a wink, "the most important color comes from friendship and kindness." The trio waved goodbye to their new friends and promised to visit again. As they skipped back home, their hearts were full, and the world around them was brighter than ever. And so, Timmy, Lila, and Zippy learned a valuable lesson that day. No matter the task, with teamwork, kindness, and a little bit of fun, they could bring color to any world.